Okay. Now, good evening, everyone. Good evening once again. As I've told that this is very important class. Today's class is very, very important, right? Why? Because when you talk about current, right, we generally talk about circuits, है ना? So till now we studied. Okay, I did not. Yeah. Thank you, Navya. Right? Yeah. So we did not study. We studied about resistance. We studied about electric field. We studied about Ohm's law, right? And now we studied about potential. So now we are combining everything, right? We are combining everything and we are talking about circuits. So today we will talk about circuits. And now that, okay, sir, we understood resistor kya hai, we understood, right? Ohm's law kya hai, and all the things. है ना? But how to use, right? How to use those things, how to use those concepts and form a circuit. And we studied that circuit kya hota hai. Circuit is just a combination of electrical devices, hai na? Okay, right? Now, before moving to that, yes. So we know, right, what is resistance, hai na? Right? So there's a one small topic that was left. Before talking about circuits or arrangement of resistor. Okay. So the topic was, right, color coding of resistor. Okay, color coding of resistor. Color coding of resistor. Okay. Now I guess all of you have seen the resistor. Tell me, last class में हम लोगों ने resistor दिखाया था. Yes or no? Last class में resistors का photo दिखाया था, नहीं दिखाया था क्या? I don't remember. It was your class or class 12? So these are my resistors, है ना? Right? All of you can see this. I guess all of you can see this now, right? Code से Google, right? Google बाबा की जय, ठीक है? So now I guess that you have seen somewhere, right? In your home or in lab, right? If not, then I can show you in real. But again, right? This is enough. This pic is enough. Now you can see, sir, right? There are some colors on these resistors, right? Yes, in remote control cards, right? If you break something, you will get to see this, right? I'm not asking you to break something, okay? Right? Disclaimer, I'm not asking you. Otherwise, some people will break the remote, some people will break card and they'll blame me. That sir, Vishnu sir ne bola tha tod dene ke liye. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not asking you to break anything to see the resistor, right? But yeah, so all of you can see the resistor, right? It is something like this. And now in this resistor, instead of any number, right? Instead of any number, I can see colors. See colors. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? There's some colors, some color codes. Yes, Krishna. See, whatever resistor you're talking about, we will have a color code, right? We will have generally, right? Generally 4. There might be more than 4, but generally 4. Okay? We will be talking about only 4 color codes. Okay? Right? They don't have anything written on that except for the color code. If you see any resistor, right? Any resistor, it will have color codes. It will have a color code. Now, my question is, sir, what is the significance of this color code? Right? What is the significance of this color code? Why this color code is used? है ना? ये color code होता ही क्या है? Right? That should be my question, right? ये color code क्यों होता है? Why this color code is there? Tell me. Sir, obviously, right? How can we know that what is the value of resistance? Yes, exactly, Vikas, right? Magnitude, or you can say the value of resistor. The value of resistor, right? There should be some way, there should be some way to know the value of resistor, yes or no? Tell me, right? There should be some way to know the value of resistor. Agree? Right? So these color codes actually tell us, okay, actually give us idea about the color code. They gave us the idea about the, tell me, they give us the idea about the value, right? कि इस resistance का value कितना है? समझ में आया? Right? इस resistance का value कितना है? Okay? So how? My question is how? How can I say that what is the value of this resistance? Right? So see this. All of you can see this resistance? Yes or no? All of you can see this resistance now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So see, if we talk about this resistance, I can say, sir, I'm having 4 different colors, right? 4 different colors. Okay, right? This is called a color coding of resistor. Now, whenever we talk about 4 different colors, Yashish, because resistors are very small, right? Resistors are very small. Think about it, right? And they are basically shouldered. Now, if you're talking about shouldering, you don't know that which side it will be shouldered, right? And it is very small. And see, we do things because it is convenient. Okay, we do things because it is convenient, right? And someone has started it, right? अगर किसी ने ठीक है कलर कोड नहीं बनाया होता, किसी ने कलर कोड नहीं बनाया होता और किसी ने एक्चुअली में ठीक है लिख दिया होता, वैल्यू लिख दिया होता, तो हम लोग वैल्यू कर रहे होते, एज सिंपल एज दैट, है ना? फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज अ डिवाइस कॉल्ड कैपेसिटर, जैसे रेजिस्टर होता है वैसे ही कैपेसिटर भी होता है ना? सो इन कैपेसिटर दे विल हैव अ वैल्यू, राइट? उनका वैल्यू वहां पे लिखा रहेगा, ठीक है? कैपेसिटर में वैल्यू लिखा रहेगा, समझ में आया? राइट, ठीक है? Everyone is getting this? Tell me, everyone is getting this? Okay, anyone have any doubt in this? I can say that, sir, I can say that. Okay, yes, wait, I'll tell you, Prahlad, I'll tell you, right? So I'm having this color code and I'm having this color code, and this color code will tell me the value of the resistor. How? The question is how. So see, it is given that, sir, when you talk about the color code, each color code have a different value, and each color code will have a different value. So the first 2 color codes, the first 2 colors, okay, right? Message to host, Akshata, message to host, not co-host. The first two colors, ठीक है? जो पहला 2 color है ना, that gives you the digits, the values of the digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 types. हम लोग बताएंगे कि क्या होता है, किसका क्या value होता है. But these 2 will give you the numeric value, right? These two, right? And now this is first and this is second, right? Will give you the numeric value. So this is your first digit and this is second digit. A third color is basically a multiplier. For example, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, like that. And this is your tolerance limit. Means how, right? What percentage it can change? What percentage it can change, right? So as I told you that every color has a specific value. Every color, right, has a specific value. And we have to remember these values, right? We have to remember these values. So your question should be, sir, what are those values, right? How can we remember these values? So someone have already assigned these values. We don't have to use our brain a lot. Someone have already assigned these values. किसी ने already assign कर रखा है, ठीक है? किसी ने already values assign कर रखे हैं. That brown का क्या value है, right? Blue का क्या है, black का क्या है, red का क्या है, orange का क्या है. We just have to remember that what is the values of these colors. समझ में आया? सबको समझ में आया ना? Right? So I hope all of you understood what is the meaning of color code. Raise your hand. Do you understand the value of color code now? Right? Okay. Right? So next question. Yes, tell me.
Sir, but first and third stripes are of same color, sir. So what's the difference?
Again, these are just the values, right? Just the values. I'll tell you what to do about that, right? They're just the values. It may be of same color, it may be a different color. Okay, it is just the values. I'll tell you how we can find the resistor, right? Let us check once. ठीक है? अब ध्यान दो. ऐसे जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये कलर जो है सेम है, जैसे तुमने बोला कलर सेम है, तो क्या डिफरेंस है? कोई डिफरेंस नहीं, because these color will just denote a value, right? 0, 1, 2. For example, the values are written like this. I'll just write it down. It is B R O Y G B, ठीक है? 1, 2. So this value is 0. This value is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Okay, step by step. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, ठीक है, 0 से 9 तक डिजिट हो गया. These are the just the digits, ठीक है. Right, these colors just represent the digits, ठीक है, समझ में आया? These colors just the represents the digit. So B means black. Then this is brown, ठीक है, brown.
Okay, sir.
This is red, ठीक है. This is orange. This is yellow. This is green. This is blue. This is violet. This is gray. This is white. Right? So there's a shortcut mnemonics, right? The shortcut mnemonics can be B, Roy of Great Britain, right? B. Roy of Great Britain, right? B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Okay, so this is a mnemonics. You can just remember. B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Yes, you have to remember it. Okay, we have to remember it. Okay, right? This is just the mnemonics that you can remember. Okay, B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Right? So this is the color code. Okay. Right? So this is the color code. B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Okay. Clear? Anyone have any doubt in this? Just tell me if anyone have any doubt, because this is just information. We have to remember it. As simple as that. और कुछ नहीं करना है. हमें बस याद रखना है. ठीक है? हमें बस याद रखना है. ठीक है? Right, everyone? Tell me. Everyone got this? Right? So this is B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. ठीक है? Right? Okay. Don't worry, I'll send you. So your question should be, sir, what is the first, second, third, fourth? Now, fifth, we will ignore, right? I have told you fifth is reliability. We will ignore. In some resistance, there are fifth color, but we will ignore this. हमें वो नहीं पढ़ना है. तो हमें ये नहीं पढ़ना है. हमें ये fifth color नहीं पढ़ना है. हमें सिर्फ fourth color चाहिए, है ना? Fourth color चाहिए. Right? Now, tell me, if I'm talking about first, for example, this. For example, this. ठीक है, अब इसका resistor कितना होगा? अब सोचते हैं. Everyone think about it, right? Let us think about this. So first is what? First is brown. First is brown. Yes or no? First brown है. Brown. Right? तो बता brown का color, अगर color brown है तो brown का digit कितना है? What is the value of brown? 1. हाँ ना? Brown is 1. Right? So इसलिए क्या लिखूंगा मैं? 1. First digit is 1. Second is red. Second is red, right? So red का value कितना है? Red का value कितना है? 2. So the second, yes, second digit is 2. Second digit is 2. 2. Now third is your multiplier, right? Multiplier मतलब क्या होता है? 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. It is like that, right? And that is also brown, है ना? That is also brown, है ना? Third is also brown, right? So it is also brown. It is also brown. So it is into 10 to the power 1. हाँ है ना? Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है? Brown is 1 ना? Brown is 1, right? So it is 10 to the power 1. Clear है ये चीज? Right? So the answer is 120 ohm. So the value of this resistor, is 120 ohm, right? 120 ohm. Now this is actually golden, right? ये color में नहीं पता चला, but this is your golden, right? ये golden है ना? Yellow नहीं है, golden है. ठीक है? Akshata, 10 is a multiplier ना? Akshata, third is multiplier, right? Multiplier. So multiplier is basically 10 to the power. So अगर black है, so it is 10 to the power 0. Brown है, so it is 10 to the power 1. Red है, so it is 10 to the power 2. ठीक है? That is the multiplier. समझ में आया? आया ना? Right? No need to consider tolerance, right? See, this is the multiplier. है ना? देखो. This table, right? This table, I have told you, right? This is what? This is 10 to the power. Tell me. I hope all of you understood this. है ना? This is 10 to the power what? Tell me, everyone. बताओ. सर ये 10 to the power 1 हो गया ना? हाँ है ना?
Sir, 10 to the power 0.
sorry, yeah, this is 10 power 0, this is 10 power 1, second one. Just wait a minute, this is hanging, right? That's why my pen is not working fine. Yeah, now it is fine. This is 10 power 0, this is 10 power 1, this is 10 power 2, this is 10 power 3. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? क्लियर ये चीज? ये सबको क्लियर है? हाँ या ना? Anyone have any doubt in this? Right? Done. So I hope all of you understood multiplier क्या होता है. So if I tell you any color, right? Right? If you talk about any color, if I give you this, what is the resistor? Concept check. Okay, concept check. So find the resistor. Question is, find the resistor of color code, right? Green. Okay, wait, I'll just write green. Okay, I'll just write it here like this. Green, blue, black, silver. Okay, tell me. Everyone, step by step. No, Navya, multiplier is basically the third band. Multiplier is the color of third band. First and second are the digits. Okay, first and second are the digits. Third is multiplier. Okay, right? So tell me, what is the value here? So green, blue, black, silver. Green, blue, black, silver. Everyone. Prahlad. So what is green? Everyone, step by step. So green value कितना है? 5, sir. So green is 5. Step by step. Green is 5. Second is blue. Blue कितना है value? 6. So 6. So these two are the digits. Into multiply now. Black कितना है? 0. So it is 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 is 1. It is not 0. ठीक है? Right? Now, fit tolerance. Silver की tolerance कितना है? 10%. It is plus minus 10%. Simple. Tolerance is plus minus 10%. You don't have to do anything else. You just start right plus minus 10%. That's it. Okay. So the answer is, tell me, answer is 56 ohm, right? With tolerance of 10%. Tolerance of 10% means it can vary 10% plus minus. Okay. Done. Everyone is clear in this? हाँ है ना? हाथ डालो. सबको समझ में आ गया ये? Tell me, everyone. बहुत easy topic है ना? Okay, very good. Right, very good. ठीक है, चलो. This is clear. Right. Tolerance again. That's what I said. Now, tolerance is basically the value of resistor which can change, right? Resistance values can change. Now, the temperature increases, the value of resistance also changes. Yes or no? When the temperature changes, the resistance also changes. So, how much percentage, right? By how much percent, right? How many percent it can change, right? That is the tolerance. ठीक है? You don't have to worry about tolerance for now. ठीक है? चलो. Anyone have any doubt in this?
Sir?
No? Yes?
So what if they put gold or silver in the beginning? Then what's the digit number?
Again, there's no digit number, na? Because, right, they are the, see again, gold and silver, and there's no color. There's also no color, right? So these are just for the tolerance. They are not used for the either the digits or multipliers. Okay. So gold and silver, the color gold and silver will never be used for, tell me, either multiplier or digits. 56 ohm is the resistor, na? See, Chandan, question dekho. Question kya tha? What is the resistance? What is the resistance, right? Find the resistance, not resistor, is resistance. ठीक है, resistance. So 56 ohm. Ohm किसका unit है? Resistance का ना? So it is resistance. 56 is resistance. Again, right? यहाँ पे color तुमको ऐसा दिख रहा है, but gold और yellow are two different colors. ठीक है? I hope all of you understood that, right? Gold and yellow are two different colors. ठीक है? Right? ठीक है. Okay. चलो. Right? Next concept, right? Next concept. So the next concept is very, very important. That, right? That's what I'm saying since last class, right? Which is very important. And what is that? Yes, Aditya, you can remember this now. B.B. Roy of Great Britain. B.B. Roy of Great Britain have very good wife. Or has very good wife. Has very good wife. Doesn't matter. Okay? This is a mnemonics. Okay. So the next topic is right? Connection of resistors. Okay? Right? Yes. Connection of resistors. Connection of resistors. Okay. Now, before talking about connection of resistors, right? Let us talk one generic thing. Right? Suppose you have a water tank. Everyone, think about it. Suppose you have a water tank and water is coming in this water tank from two pipes, right? From two pipes. Okay. I cannot draw a straight line. I don't know why. This is a curse. Right? Two water tanks. Okay. This water tank, right? So this pipe brings 10 liter water per minute. And this brings 5 liter per minute. Okay. So tell me how much, right? What amount of water will be flown out, right? Will be flown out of the tank. Tell me, what amount of water will be flown out of the tank? बहुत basic question, right? Yes or no? Very good, Vastav. Everyone, message. Everyone, tell me. 10 liter per minute यहाँ से आ रहा है और 5 liter per minute यहाँ से आ रहा है, right? है ना? So tell me, junction से बाहर कितना जाएगा? Tell me. How come it would be 7 liter, right? How come, right? Krishna, 7 liter कहाँ से? मतलब किस एंगल से? क्या ये टंकी पानी खा जा रहा है? पानी पी जा रहा है टंकी? Tell me. Use your common sense ना. टंकी पानी पीता है क्या? Tell me. टंकी पानी पिएगा क्या? Right? No ना. 10 इधर से आ रहा है, 5 इधर से आ रहा है, तो obviously 15 liter per minute जाएगा. Yes or no? Everyone should get it, right? This is a very basic common sense, right? सर 10 लीटर इधर से आ रहा है, 5 इधर से आ रहा है, टंकी में तो सेम रहेगा ना, टंकी में सब आ रहा है तो जाएगा किससे? 50 लीटर, right? It is just a junction, right? जितना आएगा उतना जाएगा. क्लियर है? Yes or no? हाँ या ना? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Right? No leakage. Did I tell you that there is a leakage? Right? अपने मन से कंडीशन बनाना है नहीं प्रहलाद, अपने मन से कंडीशन बनाना है. Okay. Now let us talk about this, right? Let us talk about current, है ना? Suppose this is a junction. Think about it. This is a junction. यहाँ मान लो जंक्शन है और यहाँ से करंट मान लो आ रहा है I1 और यहाँ से करंट आ रहा है I2 और ये करंट है I3. Tell me, what is the relationship between I1, I2 and I3? Tell me, what is the relationship between I1, I2, I3? कोई बताएगा? Same concept. Yes, Vastav, correct. Everyone, step by step. सोचेगा सब कोई. Everyone, think about it. Very good study ना, very good Jilan. Common sense, very good Aditya. Correct. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Very good. So it is easy, sir. It is very easy, sir. है ना? Same concept. That I1 plus I2 जितना करंट आ रहा है उतना ही करंट निकलेगा. I3, हाँ या ना? Yes or no? I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Simple. They are not directly proportional, equal. I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. जितना करंट आएगा उतना ही करंट निकलेगा. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. किसको दिक्कत है इसमें? बहुत सिंपल है कि नहीं? Right? Anyone? राइट? जो क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन कर पा रहे हैं या डिस्कनेक्ट आ रहे हैं, प्लीज वॉच द वीडियो अगेन, राइट, आफ्टर द क्लास, राइट? फिजा, रायद, ठीक है, हेली, अक्सा, एवरीवन इज गेटिंग? नाव्या, संचित, शीर्षा, yes or no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So even though this is very simple, right, even though something as easy as 0 was discovered by someone, है ना? So this was also discovered by a scientist, right? The name of the scientist was Kirchhoff. Spelling might be wrong, tell me, I'm telling you upfront, right? I'm horrible at spellings, ठीक है? So spelling गलत हो सकता है, ठीक है? Spelling might be wrong, है ना? So ध्यान दो. So this is discovered by a scientist. The name of the scientist is Kirchhoff. Okay, Kirchhoff. Right? Kirchhoff. ठीक है? So the name of the scientist, as I told you, is Kirchhoff. Again, it is a name, right? So doesn't matter whatever the spelling is. ठीक है? Okay, Kirchhoff, right? And the laws given by him are called as Kirchhoff's circuit law. Circuit laws, right? And he gave two laws. The first law is, I will not write this Kirchhoff again and again. I'll just write K. ठीक है? So when I write K, you understood it is Kirchhoff. ठीक है? When I write K, you understood that it is Kirchhoff. ठीक है? Got it? Okay, right? So the first law is Kirchhoff's current law. Current law. Now tell me, अब बताओ, what do you think? ये भाई साहब जो Kirchhoff भाई साहब है, वो क्या लॉ दिए होंगे? करंट के हिसाब से क्या लॉ दिए होंगे? Tell me. It is written on the sheet. Tell me. Exactly. Yes, Krishna. Correct. That is the law. है ना? Yes or no? Tell me. Sheet में क्या दिखा है? Yes. Right? So I can write like this, that sum of all the currents either entering the junction or leaving the junction should be zero. Right? Or you can write like in different language also, that all the current, right? Sum of all the current entering the junction should be equal to, right, the sum of all the current exiting this junction. Okay, right? So see here, I can write like this, right? I1 plus I2 is equal to I3, or I can write like this now, I1 plus I2 minus I3 is equal to 0, है ना? So I1 I2 इंटर कर रहा है तो प्लस हो गया, और I3 निकल रहा है, बाहर निकल रहा है ना, ये माइनस हो गया. क्लियर है? सबको समझ में आया? ये हाथ उठा लो. सबको समझ में आ गया? Because I1 I2 is entering the junction, that's why I consider it as positive. Just convention. ठीक है? And I3 is leaving the junction, that's why I consider it as negative. Right? So I hope all of you understood this. Raise your hand. All of you understood this? Prajwal, you're getting this? Ahad, Prajwal, Raid, Tanish, Sirisha, Serena, Haley, Aksa, Abhiramya. Very good, Navya. Anvi, Shriya, Shrishti, Shashank. समझ में आया सबको? बहुत बेसिक चीज मैं कर रहा हूँ, बहुत बेसिक, right? So if you're not getting, ask. Yes, Prahlad, that's what I did ना. I3 को मैं ट्रांसपोज किया ना, ये प्लस I3 इधर गया तभी तो माइनस I3 बन गया, राइट? हम लोग क्लास 7 से पढ़ते आ रहे ट्रांसपोज का कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? अभिरम्या, वेरी गुड अभिरम्या. इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग एनी डाउट ना, प्लीज आस्क. भगवान ने हमें क्या दिया है, राइट? मुंह दिया है पूछने के लिए, हाथ दिया है टाइप करके पूछने के लिए, राइट? ठीक है? वैष्णवी, माय नेम इज नॉट सोनू। वैष्णवी ने तो मेरा नाम ही चेंज कर दिया। ठीक है जयति, I just said that okay, if you ever get any doubt na, just think about this example, right, and write down this example in your language. Can I say, sir, amount of current entering the junction should be equal to amount of current exiting this junction? Tell me, Jayati. Hi, Anna. The amount of current entering any junction is equal to amount of current exiting the junction. Hi, Anna. Right? Anna. So that is, or the exiting or leaving junction should be 0. Yes, tell me.
Sir, in that I1 plus I2 is equal to, is it I3 or the greater sign?
I3, sorry. My handwriting is horrible. Apologies,
Okay.
right? It is I3. Okay? Right? Tanish, Aditya, Sirisha, everyone is getting this? Hi, Anna. Right? So this is called as KCL. इसको मैं short में बोलूँगा KCL. Kirchhoff's current law. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आया Kirchhoff's current law बहुत easy है. Very good, आदित्य, है ना? आदित्य गद्दे क्लियर है? Tell me, आदित्य जी. Harshita, you're getting everything. Apsa, Anagha, Avni, Anvit. Sukirti, Shrusti, Nitin. If anyone is having any doubt, ask now. Okay? And do not eat this either in your dinner or your breakfast. Revision करना है. ठीक है? Very good, Harshita. है ना? Right? Right, Jayati? अभी रम्या खा नहीं जाना इसको. ठीक है? चलो. Very good. Okay. So this is easy, sir. This is easy, right? है ना? हमें समझ में आ गया कि Kirchhoff's current law क्या है. Now, second rule, second law. ठीक है? Second law. अब एक चीज बताओ, simple. एक चीज बताओ, सबको कॉमन सेंस, राइट? आई गेस सबके पास कॉमन सेंस है. हाँ या ना? सर बहुत है सर. क्या बात करते हो सर? राइट? है कि नहीं? बहुत कॉमन सेंस है. यस और नो? राइट? ठीक है, देखते हैं कितना कॉमन सेंस है ना? देखते हैं कितना कॉमन सेंस है. ठीक है, ओके. यस कृष्णा, सेकंड इज अबाउट द लूप. गूगल कर लिया तुम क्या? गूगल. ठीक है, एनीवेज, right? It is good that you guys are showing interest. Very good. Second is about the loop. But let us understand, right? हर चीज को simple में समझना चाहिए, है ना? Now tell me, ये ground floor है. Tell me, this is your ground floor. This is your first floor, है ना? Right? And this is your second floor. This is your third floor. Suppose this is your fourth floor. ठीक है? Right? Shakib, Yahya, you guys are joining very late. सो के उठा ये दोनों. अभी सो के उठा है. भूल जाता है कि फिजिक्स क्लास 4 o'clock से होता है हमेशा. Yes or no? Tell me. Now, ground floor. Everyone try to get this information. ठीक है? Wait, Krishna. Wait. बता रहे हैं कृष्णा. I'll give you surprise. Good news. ठीक है? फाउंडेशन वाले स्टूडेंट को दे दिया already. So suppose what's the potential ground? Tell me. What we consider as a potential? Suppose I consider potential ground as 0. Think about it. Suppose I consider the potential of ground as 0, है ना? Suppose मैं example ले रहा हूँ. यहाँ का potential मैंने मान लिया कितना? 10, right? यहाँ से potential मान लो 10 मान लिया, right? So for each floor, the potential difference is 10. For each one floor, the potential difference is 10, right? This is also 10. This is also 10, right? Change in potential. Potential difference means change in potential. It is also 10. It is also 10. समझो, change in potential, है ना? So this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D, this is point E, right? I'm saying the change in potential. Yes, delta PD, right? Change in potential is 10. सब में 10 है. तो बताओ, अगर मैं पूछूं, what is the potential at C? Tell me, C का potential कितना है? C का potential कितना है? हाइट जान लो यार, हाइट से ही कंपेयर कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Because we know ना that potential energy is equal to, right, mgh. हाइट से ही कर लो, right? C पॉइंट कितना है? 20 हो गया ना? 20, यस और नो? ये 0, ये 10, तो ये 20, सी पॉइंट का 20 और 30 कहां से हो जाएगा? 10 10 20 हो गया ना, हाँ है ना? यस और नो? डी पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा? व्हाट इज डी पॉइंट? डी पॉइंट, वेरी गुड, सिंपल, वेरी गुड, सिंपल। ई पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा? ई पॉइंट कितना हो जाएगा? 40, वेरी गुड। एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट इन दिस? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? ये बहुत बेसिक सर, बहुत ही बेसिक सर। क्या भी इसमें क्या नहीं समझ में आएगा? एडी तो कर रहे हैं, राइट? जैसे ऊपर जाएंगे वैसे पोटेंशियल इंक्रीज करेगा, सिंपल है, यस और नो, राइट? है ना? एवरीथिंग इज सिंपल ओनली, एवरीथिंग इज सिंपल ओनली, राइट? है ना? एप्लीकेशन इज डिफिकल्ट सर। नाउ लेट अस राइट, कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस सर? It is what? It is VA, right? It is, tell me what? VAB, suppose it is VAB, right? Suppose I'm just writing this VA, or I'll just write like this. I'll start from the top. So top is VE, VE minus VD. VE minus VD is potential between these two, high and low. This is VE minus VD. Everyone, step by step. Can I say, sir, this is VE minus VD, high and low? High and low, yes or no? Potential at E minus potential at D. This is this. Yes or no? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. High and low. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Can I write this is V minus VD? Okay. Can I say, sir, this is VD minus VC plus VD minus VC, right? High and low, right? Don't worry now, yeah, don't worry. I got used to it, right? Okay, I got used to it. VC minus VB, right? Yes or no? This is VC minus VB. So C का potential minus B का potential. और ये क्या हो जाएगा? Tell me, ये क्या हो जाएगा? So ये हो जाएगा B का potential minus A का potential. हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? सबको ये समझ में आ रहा है? I'm just writing it. I'm just writing whatever right is there. I'm just writing it. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? हाथ उठा लो, हाथ उठा लो। अफसा, यहया, right? Hindi, English, which language you are getting? Tell me, you are getting this, right? Yes or no? Everyone is getting? Akshata, Abhiramya, Rayad. Tell me, guys, you guys don't respond, right? So when I'm going to talk to your parents, right? I'll be talking to your parents, right? Okay, we have taken already 4-5 classes. So I'll be talking to parents. So you guys are not responding. Sashank, I remember, my memory is very good. I remember who responds, who doesn't respond. ठीक है? Okay. So can I write? So it is VD minus VC plus VC minus VB, है ना? Plus VB minus VA. Now tell me, this is equal to what? Tell me. Very good, Rayad. Very good. Very good, Rayad. चलो, very good, अक्सा. अब बताओ ये कितना होगा? Tell me, ये कितना होगा?
40.
40 नहीं, वैल्यू नहीं, वैल्यू के साथ बात नहीं कर रहा। Can I say, sir, DD कट जाएगा, CC कट जाएगा, BB कट जाएगा. It will be just what? VE minus VA. हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Zero नहीं ना वास्तव. VE minus VA हो जाएगा ना? Yes or no? Right? Very good, everyone. Right? Let us verify this. Let us verify this. ठीक है? So can I say, sir, it is what? VE minus VA is equal to, what is VE minus VD? VE minus VD कितना होता है? So it is 10. This is equal to 10. What is VD minus VC? So it is also 10. It is also 10. Plus what is VC minus VD? So it is also 10. And what is VB minus VC? So it is also 10. So total is 40. हाँ या ना? Tell me. सही है sir. Right? Yes or no? Right? Agree? Easy है? हाँ या ना? Right? So can I say, sir, अगर मैं potential की बात करूं, अगर मैं language में लिखूं इसको, if I have to write it in language, so I can write, so potential between A and B plus, or you can say potential between A and E. Potential between A and E is sum of all the potentials between A, B, B, C, C, D and D, E. हाँ या ना? Don't worry, तुम्हारे एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा, so तुमको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस समझना है, because I will be using this to prove something that is in your syllabus. ठीक है? Right? तो ये सबको समझ में आया, हाँ या ना? ये सबको समझ में आया, यस और नो? टेल मी, हाँ या ना? राइट, ओके, चलो, वेरी गुड। राइट, सो ये तो पोटेंशियल समझ में आ गया, इसका करंट से क्या लेना देना है। वेरी गुड प्रज्वल, वेरी गुड गाइस। दोज हु वर लेजी लास्ट ईयर, आई रिमेंबर एवरीवन्स नेम, ठीक है? राइट, राइट, सो एंड या चलो, so suppose we take a, right, so suppose we take a circuit, right, suppose we take a circuit, right? Very good Shrishti, very good Sanjana. Shrishti, I'm asking, right, everyone, Sukirti, Shrishti, if you don't get asked, ठीक है? Right, VA का जीरो है ना पोटेंशियल, VA का जीरो है ना पोटेंशियल? टेल मी विकास, VA का जीरो है ना? Janvi, I'll tell you good news afterwards, right? ठीक है, चलो. So the second law is called as Kirchhoff's voltage law. It's called as Kirchhoff's voltage law. ठीक है, सिंपल. I hope सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. क्या है Kirchhoff's voltage law? Kirchhoff's voltage law. Voltage law. शॉर्ट में इसको हम KVL बोलेंगे, KVL. ठीक है, right? This is your second law. Now, what is Kirchhoff's voltage law? I hope all of you understood that sum of all the voltages, sum of all the potential difference is equal to potential difference across the ends, right? और अगर मैं लूप बना दूं, think about it. Suppose I make a loop, right? Everyone, let us make a loop over here, right? मैं यहाँ पे बगल में लूप बना रहा हूँ, है ना? Suppose this is a loop. This is a loop, right? ये हमारा लूप है और यहाँ पे मैंने रेसिस्टर डाला, एक रेसिस्टर डाला, दो रेसिस्टर डाला, तीन रेसिस्टर डाला, ठीक है? राइट, ओके. लूप अगेन क्लोज्ड. लूप नहीं समझ में आता है? एनी क्लोज्ड फिगर इज अ लूप, राइट? इंग्लिश वर्ड प्रहलाद, इंग्लिश है ना? एनी क्लोज्ड फिगर इज अ लूप, राइट? And suppose I put a battery. Suppose I'm having a battery over here. This is a positive terminal. Why I cannot draw a straight line? I don't know why. What is the curse? I cannot draw a straight line. So this is a positive terminal. Suppose, and this is a negative terminal. This is a negative terminal. This is a positive terminal. This is a negative terminal. Okay, right? Hayana. Polygon is also a loop. Na? Any closed figure is a loop, right? Okay. Now, suppose the potential, obviously, this is a positive terminal means higher potential. This is negative terminal means lower potential. Yes or no? This is positive, this is negative. Clear hai? Tell me, clear hai? Right? है ना? So suppose this point is A. This point is at potential VA. So this point is at potential VB. ठीक है? Anyone have any doubt? Step by step. सब कोई समझेगा. Step by step समझेगा. Now we know that यहाँ पे wired. Okay, I assume that if there's no resistance, potential is same, है ना? Right? Assume in wire there is no potential drop. There is no potential drop or no change in potential. Change in potential means यहाँ पे भी VA होगा, तो यहाँ पे भी VA होगा, यहाँ पे भी VA होगा. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Right? So suppose this is point A और यहाँ पे potential क्या है? VA. This point is B. This point is C. Right? Okay. Wait. इसको B की जगह यहाँ पे D कर दो. VD कर दो. VD. And this point is D. This point is D. सबको ये समझ में आ रहा है? Right? Your screen is frozen, Prahlad. Screen is lagging. Everyone, अभी समझ में आ रहा है सबको? अभी clear दिख रहा है? Right? It is okay now? Yes. Very good. Okay now. Our assumption is Sinchana कि जो wire है ना, wire में potential same रहेगा unless until resistance नहीं है. If it is a wire, if it is just a wire, right? There's no change in potential. आई जस्ट राइट नो चेंज इन वोल्टेज, वोल्टेज लिख रहा हूं मैं, ठीक है, वोल्टेज बेटर रहेगा, पोटेंशियल वोल्टेज सेम लोग ट्रीट करते हैं, देयर इज नो चेंज इन वोल्टेज, ठीक है, क्लियर है, दिस इज योर अजम्पशन, समझ में आया, राइट संजना, है ना, यहाँ भी देखो यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है ना, तो इस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल, इस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल, इस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल हर जगह सेम रहेगा, दैट इज द yes, so let us write, can I write KVL over here, tell me, can I write KVL over here? Everyone take 2 minutes, very good Aksar, take 2 minutes and try to write KVL equation. Tapish, you are getting everything. Tapish, you joined late. Tapish, तुमने लेट ज्वाइन किया, समझ में तुमको आ रहा सब कुछ? Let me help you in this. So let me help you this. Can I say, sir, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करता हूँ, A हायर पोटेंशियल पे है ना, तो A से B के बीच में क्या होगा? Can I say it is VA minus VB, हाँ है ना, A से B के बीच में VA minus VB प्लस B से C के बीच में, tell me, VB minus VC, हाँ है ना, हाँ है ना, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, वेरी गुड कृष्णा, वेरी गुड, प्लस C से D के बीच में VC minus VD और D से A के बीच में प्लस VD minus VA, यस और नो, हाँ या ना, हाँ या ना, ये सबको समझ में आ गया, राइट, वेरी गुड अक्सा, ठीक है, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट सर, ये 0 हो गया सर, हाँ या ना, ये 0 हो गया सर, यस और नो, yes or no, right, anyone have any doubt in this, anyone have any doubt in this? So see again, right, because BB कट गया, CC कट जाएगा, DD कट गया, A कट गया, तो obviously 0 हो गया, है ना, right, so बताओ KVL का स्टेटमेंट क्या हो जाएगा, what is the statement of KVL, tell me, what would be the statement of KVL, what would be the statement of KVL, KVL का स्टेटमेंट क्या हो जाएगा, what is the net, what is net voltage drop in the loop, tell me, sum of all the voltage, the net voltage drop in a loop is equal to what, 0, yes, very good, so I can say according to KVL, right, net or net voltage drop or voltage drop means voltage change, है ना, in a loop, in a closed loop is 0, yes or no, हाँ ना, so this is the statement of KVL, this is the statement of KVL, ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ रहा है, हाँ या ना, सबको समझ में आ गया ये चीज, हाँ या ना, everyone is getting this, everyone is getting this, yeah, potential changes, Vaishnavi, yes, it's correct, right, Avni, Sanchit, समझ में आया सबको तुमको, Sanchit, you are getting everything, right, yes, Sanjana, this is the same equation ना, Sanjit, हाँ या ना,
yes sir,
प्रहलाद, पहले वाले में क्लोज था क्या, टेल मी, पहले वाले में क्लोज था, think about it, in this above case was it closed, in above case ये क्लोज था क्या, नहीं ना, ये क्लोज नहीं था, राइट, ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट 0, ठीक है, एज सिंपल एज दैट, ठीक है, सो आई कैन राइट लाइक दिस, शॉर्ट में मैं इसको ऐसे लिखता हूं, VAB प्लस VBC प्लस VCD प्लस VDA is equal to 0, है ना, but we know that A, बताओ A हायर पोटेंशियल पे है कि B हायर पोटेंशियल पे है, टेल मी, A हायर पोटेंशियल पे है कि B हायर पोटेंशियल पे है, A हायर पोटेंशियल पे है, सो बताओ VD माइनस VA पॉजिटिव होगा नेगेटिव होगा, टेल मी, VD माइनस VA विल बिकम पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, अगर तुम D से A की तरफ जाओगे तो पॉजिटिव हो रहा है कि नेगेटिव हो रहा है, नेगेटिव, यस और नो, हाँ है ना, बिकॉज सर D जो है वो, है ना, D कम पोटेंशियल पे है, वेरी गुड प्रज्वल, वेरी गुड स्टडीना, है ना, और एक हाई पोटेंशियल पे, इट इज नेगेटिव टर्मिनल, दिस इज पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, राइट? सो कैन आई से सर VAD इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ VDA? सिंपल है ना सर? हाँ है ना, VAD जो है वो माइनस ऑफ VDA हो जाएगा बिकॉज इट इज VA माइनस VD, राइट? राइट? So I can write like this, na? I can write like this. Everyone. Yes, बोलो.
सर इन टर्मिनल्स का अपना सेपरेटली है ना सर कैलकुलेशन?
नहीं, यहाँ पे सबको लिया, ठीक है? यहाँ पे मैंने सबको लिया, टर्मिनल्स को भी लिया है, VD माइनस VA यहाँ पे लिया ना मैंने, राइट? ना VD माइनस VA इज बेसिकली VA माइनस VD, है ना? जब इधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? VA माइनस VD हो जाएगा ना, और VA माइनस VD इज VAD, ठीक है? Which is the battery, yeah, potential difference between the battery. सिंचना बताओ, ये जाएगा, ये पूरा टर्म इधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा बताओ? जब पूरा इधर टर्म जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? If this term will go this side, don't you think side will become VA minus VD? हाँ या ना? जब ये इधर चला गया, ये इधर चला गया तो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, तो VA minus VD बन गया ना। और what is VA minus VD? It is VAD. सिंचना, you got it now, सिंचना?
Yes sir.
है ना? सिंपल है ना सर, VA माइनस VD जो है वो क्या है? वो माइनस ऑफ VD माइनस VA है, ओके, राइट?
ओके सर।
सो ये सबको समझ में आ गया, ये सबको समझ में आ गया, ओके। नाउ सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट, मान लो अगर इसमें करंट जा रहा है, सपोज करंट इज गोइंग इन दिस लूप, यहाँ पे कितने, या यहाँ पे कितने पाथ है? टेल मी, हाउ मेनी पाथ्स डू यू हैव हियर? कितने पाथ हैं? पाथ कितना है इसमें? करंट को जाने के लिए कितना रास्ता है? टेल मी, करंट को जाने के लिए कितना रास्ता है? एक ही रास्ता है ना प्रहलाद, चार रास्ता कहां से हो गया? एक ही रास्ता है ना, राइट? बेचारा एक ही रास्ता है, एक ही रास्ता जाएगा ना, वन, यस और नो, हाँ या ना? टेल मी, बहुत कॉमन सेंस, राइट? वन वे, यस और नो, राइट? एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट? There is only one way for this current to go, right? Yes or no? Means अगर I current जाएगा तो बेचारा हर जगह I current ही रहेगा ना, हाँ या ना? Right? हाँ या ना? Okay? Again रेसिस्टर है तो रेसिस्टर में क्या होगा? करंट थोड़ी ना रेसिस्टर खा जाएगा, वो तो पोटेंशियल को चेंज करना है ना। रेसिस्टर क्या करेगा? पोटेंशियल जब चेंज हो ही रहा है, अगेन इट डज नॉट ब्रेक द पाथ ना। थिंक अबाउट इट एवरीवन, थिंक अबाउट इट। सब कोई सोचो एक बार फिर से, कॉमन सेंस, राइट? सब कोई कॉमन सेंस। मान लो एक रास्ता है, सपोज दिस इज अ पाथ, राइट? दिस इज अ पाथ, है ना? एक रास्ता है, यहाँ पे कुछ, राइट, पेबल्स हैं, है ना? मान लो यहाँ पे रोड जो है खराब है, यहाँ पे रोड खराब है, यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक है काफी, यहाँ पे काफी ट्रैफिक है मान लो, राइट? काफी ट्रैफिक है ना? थिंक अबाउट इट एवरीवन, बहुत बेसिक चीज है। यहाँ पे मेरे पास, वेट, मान लो यहाँ से 10 लोग जा रहे हैं, 10 लोग यहाँ पे एंटर कर रहे हैं, तो बाहर के 8 लोग निकलेंगे। थिंक अबाउट इट, बाहर के 8 लोग निकलेंगे, हाँ या ना? If 10 people are going inside, will 8 people will come out? Think about it. सोचो, 10 के 10 ही निकलेंगे ना, 2 गायब तो नहीं हो जाएंगे ना, एलियन तो उठा के नहीं ले जाएगा ना, हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Right? If 10 people are going in or just walking on the road right from this side, so 10 people will only come out. Simple, है ना? So what will happen in between? Sir, डिस्टर्बेंस का उनका स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगा, यस और नो? स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगा, राइट? बट 10 के 10 ही लोग रहेंगे ना, यस और नो? नाव्या तो मार ही देगी, राइट? वास्तव नाव्या, नो दे आर नॉट गेटिंग किल्ड, राइट? ठीक है, समझ में आया? बहुत सिंपल, राइट? बहुत सिंपल। अगर मर भी रहे हैं तो बेचारे लाश तो आएगा ना। सी, यू गाइज आर सेइंग डिप्रेसिंग थिंग्स, राइट? ओके, ठीक है? So in the same way, think about logically सोचो, है ना? Forget about these people. करंट क्या है? व्हाट इज करंट? इज अ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ना, हाँ या ना? टेल मी. इट इज नथिंग बट अ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. यस और नो? यस और नो? एकदम बहुत बेसिक, बहुत बेसिक. नहीं समझ में आया पूछेंगे, सोचेंगे. तो सर अगर यहाँ से मान लो इलेक्ट्रॉन इंटर कर रहा है, यहाँ से मान लो 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इंटर कर रहे हैं, तो सर यहाँ से 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निकलेंगे भी ना? यस और नो? हाँ या ना? राइट? यस और नो? ठीक है. so obviously number of electron is same, right? है ना? ठीक है. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं ये चीज? और हम एक एवरेज टाइम इंटरवल बोलते हैं, एवरेज टाइम इंटरवल बोलते हैं, right? Because I find average current, so obviously the current will also same, right? Doesn't matter what happens, doesn't matter कि ये बीच में disturbance आ गया, पाइप पतला हो गया, मोटा हो गया, doesn't matter, right? Current will be same. ठीक है, चलो. So anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? हाथ हाथ उठा लो, हाँ या ना? ठीक है, चलो. आई गेस एवरीवन इज क्लियर. नाउ वी विल यूज दीज टू, है ना? ये दोनों हम लोग यूज करेंगे अब, राइट? ठीक है, राइट? ये दोनों यूज करेंगे. तो we will be now talking about some special cases, special connections of resistor. Right? First is your series connection. First is your series connection. ठीक है, ध्यान दो. सबको ध्यान देगा, सबको ही ध्यान देगा, राइट? सबकी नजर यही होनी चाहिए, सीरीज कनेक्शन. और कॉमन सेंस, दिमाग अपने पास रखना है, कॉमन सेंस यूज करना है. मैं सवाल पूछूंगा, ठीक है? Suppose this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, and this is voltage V. Now tell me, I'm saying that this is in series, right? This is your series circuit. I'm saying you this is your series circuit. Now what is the statement for series circuit? Tell me. Yeah, Janvi. That's why I was outstanding student. No.
Sir, sum
Right?
of all resistance.
अब जानवी ठीक है? राइट जानवी? अभी ठीक है जानवी? राइट? If you get any doubt, please ask ना. कोई भी डाउट लग रहा है, कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है, पूछ लो, ठीक है? Anyways, I'm speaking also, right? Now tell me, what do you think? What is the condition for series circuit? Condition for series circuit.
Sir, sum of all resistance.
Sum of all resistance is equal to what? Sum of all resistance is equal to what? Tell me. Because हमें तो सम ही चाहिए, हमें तो सम ही चाहिए. बट इसमें कंडीशन क्या है? Tell me. Everyone, think about it. Condition क्या है? Then I can say that sir, this is your series connection. जनरली लोग बोलते हैं सर रेसिस्टेंस को लाइन में जुड़ा होना चाहिए. दिस कनेक्शन, रेसिस्टेंस, ये रेसिस्टर कनेक्टेड है ना, राइट? दीस थ्री रेसिस्टर आर कनेक्टेड, राइट? है ना? तो जनरली लोग बोलते हैं, जैसे प्रहलाद बोला, दैट रेसिस्टर्स should be connected in line. No, that is not the condition. That is not the condition. Remember this, right? Okay, right? The condition is if same current flows in all the resistor, all the connected resistor, all the connected. अब ये गलती भी नहीं मिट रही है मेरी. Resistors. Okay, then the connection is called as series. called as series connection. समझ में आया ये सब टोटल में? हाँ या ना? जरूरी नहीं है कि लाइन में होना चाहिए, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. करंट मस्ट बी कांस्टेंट, राइट? करंट मस्ट बी कांस्टेंट इन ऑल द रेसिस्टेंस. ठीक है, समझ में आया? मींस सर अगर आई करंट फ्लो कर रहा है तो R1 से भी आई फ्लो करेगा, R2 से भी आई फ्लो करेगा, R3 से भी आई फ्लो करेगा. हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये? हाँ या ना? हाँ चलो, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? राइट? ओके चलो. ओके सो नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू फाइंड. अगर मान लो कि मैं तीनों को हटाकर एक रेसिस्टेंस डाल लो, राइट? सपोज आई वांट ओनली वन रेसिस्टेंस इंस्टेड ऑफ दीस थ्री रेसिस्टर. थिंक अबाउट इट. Suppose I want only one resistor in place of these three resistor, right? मुझे सिर्फ एक चाहिए, मुझे बस एक ही चाहिए, है ना? I want to have only one resistor. In place of these three resistor. ठीक है? Right? R, and I call it as R equivalent, right? Means तीनों को हटाकर अगर मैं एक रेसिस्टेंस लगाना चाहूँ, तीनों को हटाकर अगर सिर्फ एक रेसिस्टेंस लगाना चाहूँ, so what would be the value of that resistor? Tell me. This is my problem. Sir, if I have to remove all the three resistors and I have to use only one resistor, then what is the value of that resistor? ठीक है, right? Okay? ये मुझे निकालना है. Now let us check how can we solve it, right? Now tell me, let us say that so this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D. Can I use KVL over here? Tell me, can I use KVL over here? Both are series, na? So this is series, right? All the resistor, it is connected in such a way that current is same. हाँ ना? Right? है ना? And I have to remove. So this is a series connection. This connection is called your series connection. ठीक है? Right? Condition is current should be same. That is the condition. We will discuss why I'm not saying कि line लगाना चाहिए, because even though it is in line, it may be some other connections. So can I say this? For this, can I say, sir, VAB plus VBC plus VCD is equal to this V is equal to V? हाँ या ना? Using KVL? Yes, Chandan. Current should be same का मतलब क्या है? Current same होगा ना? 10 एम्पियर ही सब जाएगा. That is the meaning of current same. Chandan, current same का मतलब क्या होता है? Think about it. Current same होने का मतलब क्या है? कि सर अगर यहाँ पे 10 एम्पियर जा रहा है, अगर this is 10 एम्पियर, so R1 भी 10 एम्पियर जाएगा, R2 भी 10 एम्पियर, R3 भी 10 एम्पियर जाएगा करंट. हाँ या ना? राइट? रेजिस्टर मतलब थोड़ी ना करंट रोक देगा, नहीं, स्लो करेगा, रोकता तो नहीं है ना, ऐसे तो नहीं करंट जीरो हो जाएगा. ठीक है? सो दिस इज क्लियर. यस, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस चेंज करा तभी तो VAB VBC VCD लिखा मैंने, राइट? और ओम्स लॉ सबको पता है? टेल मी, ओम्स लॉ सबको पता है? हाँ या ना? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिमेंबर ओम्स लॉ? रेज योर हैंड. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिमेंबर ओम्स लॉ? सर अकॉर्डिंग टू ओम्स लॉ कैन आई से सर ओम्स लॉ याद है सर, सबको याद है सर. क्या है? V is equal to IR सर. V is equal to IR. हाँ या ना? This is Ohm's law. हाँ या ना? So बताओ यहाँ पे VAB के बीच में रेसिस्टेंस कौन सा? VAB के बीच में रेसिस्टेंस कौन है? What is the resistance between A and B? What is the resistance between A and B?
Sir, R1.
R1, very good. What is the current in A and B? What is the current between A and B?
Sir, I.
I, very good. So what is VAB? So it is I into R1. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Step by step. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting this? Right? Very good. So in the same way, what is VBC? Tell me, what is VBC?
Sir, I R2.
Very good. I R2. Very good. And what is VCD? What is VCD?
I R3.
I R3. Very good. Right? Now here, this is potential is V. This potential is V. So this this potential difference between this, right? The second loop. This is loop A, this is loop B, right? So can I say, sir, V, which is this potential difference, is equal to what? Tell me. Tell me. If this is R equivalent, the current would be same, na? Current would be same, I, right? Then tell me, what is the equation? What is the Ohm's law for this?
Sir, I common R1 plus R2 plus R3.
R equivalent नहीं, अभी मैं I R equivalent लिख रहा हूँ, बाद में लिखूंगा, है ना? So this is I into R equivalent. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? ये सबको समझ में आया? Everyone is getting this using Ohm's law? Tell me, using Ohm's law? Yes or no? Now just put the value over here. Just put the values over here. ये जो values है ना, मैं वो बस put कर रहा हूँ. Right? Everyone, just put the values over here. Right? So I'm putting this value. ठीक है? I'll just put these values again. Sir, VAB, we know that VAB plus VBC plus VCD is equal to V. So if I put the values, what is VAB? So it is I into R1 plus what is VBC? So it is I into R2. What is VCD? So it is I into R3. And what is V? So it is I into R equivalent. Now, can you take I common and cut it? Tell me, can I take R equivalent and cut it? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
So what I'll get? Sir,
I common R1 plus R2 plus
I
R3.
common, it will be R plus R2. Yes, very good. I R equivalent. So I will get cancelled. So can I say, sir, R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Means, agar sir 3 resistance, if I have to remove these 3 resistance and put 1 resistance, right? Agar 3 hata ke 1 dalna hai, then the value of, right? Then the value of that resistance is given by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So I'm repeating this once again. So this is your series connection. So any resistor can be said in series if the current between them, right? So in the current flowing through them, not between them, sorry, if the current flowing through them is same, right? So second concept, if I have to remove all the 3 resistance, R1, R2, R3, if I have to remove R1, R2, R3 and put only one resistor, what is the value of that resistor? That I can use KVL, KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now using KVL, I can say, so potential drop between A and B plus potential drop between B and C plus potential drop between C and D is equal to V. Ayana, this we can say, right? And using Ohm's law, I can say VAB is equal to IR1, right? Because current flowing through this is R, I, resistance is R1. So VAB is IR1. Similarly, VBC is IR2 because resistance is 2, current is I. VCD is IR3. And here, if you remove everything and put one I equivalent, so here current is also I, resistance is R equivalent. So V is equal to IR equivalent. So if you put the value, take I constant, right? Take I common and cut it. I will get R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this type of combination is called your series combination. Got it? Sinchana, I repeated it. Got this? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got this? प्रहलाद KVL ही तो यूज किया अभी प्रहलाद. ये क्या है? VA minus VB, VB minus VC, VC minus VD is equal to VD minus VA. वही तो है. पूरा जो मैंने स्टोरी बताया KVL का, यही तो मैंने यूज किया, right? Why I told you this? प्रहलाद, okay? Right? This is it. Na? This is what I discussed before using it. I taught you what is KVL before discussing it. Okay? Right? Okay. I will send you this notes. Don't worry. Let us solve one problem. Right? Let us solve one problem. Concept check. Okay. Everyone. Very easy problem. Very easy, very simple problem. Okay. Very easy, very simple problem. Suppose we have these resistance. Suppose I'm having a resistance which is connected like this. I'm having a resistance which is connected like this. This is point A, this is point B. This is 10 ohm, this is 5 ohm, this is 20 ohm, right? Okay, question is, what is equivalent resistance between A and B?
Sir,
Means you have to
35 ohm.
Right, very good, correct. वेरी गुड वास्ता, वेरी गुड स्ट्रेना, वेरी गुड प्रहलाद. समझ में ये काफी इजी है ना. सो सर इट मींस तीनों को हटा के मुझे एक रेजिस्टेंस चाहिए. I have to remove these three and I have to put only one resistance. I have to remove these three and I have to put only one resistance. Right, only one resistance. हाँ या ना? Right, only one resistance. And this is your R equivalent. A and B. Right, so we know that, sir, R equivalent is given by these are in series because current क्या होगा? Same होगा ना? Current will be same. R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is 10 plus 5 plus 20. So this is your 35 ohm. Anyone have any doubt on this? Easy? Right? Easy? You have to watch video once again. You have to see the notes once again. Right? Then you will get the better idea. Don't worry. Right? एक बार में दिक्कत होती है समझने में. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? ठीक है, तो पूरा अच्छे से मैं नोट्स भेज दूंगा, अभी भेज दूंगा. राइट, वीडियो देख लेना, देन वी विल डिस्कस. ठीक है, ओके, राइट. चलो अभी एक काहूट, इतना आज के इतना ही. राइट, आज के काहूट है ना. आई गेस एवरीवन, वेट समथिंग इज हैपनिंग. Okay, so this is based on Ohm's law, right? This Kahoot is based on Ohm's law. ठीक है, right? So let us start this Kahoot, everyone. Let us start this Kahoot. I don't think that we have done this, right? But let us check. The instrument used to measure electric current is. Oh, I think we have done this.
Yes,
Anyways,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Done.
It will be revision. Anyways, it will be revision, right? अगर ज्वाइन कर लिए तो रिवीजन कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? वास्तव अब न्यूज तो न्यूज है. वेरी गुड एवरीवन, करेक्ट. सब कुछ सही है. राइट, नेक्स्ट. The unit of resistance is, it is repeated one. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी हो जाए, जल्दी जल्दी. राइट, यस, करेक्ट, वेरी गुड. इसमें गलत कैसे हो गया? रेसिस्टेंस है, ओम, इट इज नॉट एम्पियर. वेरी गुड स्टरीना, वेरी गुड यशश, वेरी गुड एवरीवन. सबको याद है? देखो इतने लोग अभी भी गलत कर रहे हैं. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू करंट, नॉट रेसिस्टर, नॉट रेसिस्टेंस. ठीक है, the obstruction offered by material of a conductor to the passage of electric current is known as. Yes, very good, right? Resistance, correct. ये भी लोग गलत किए कुछ. Next, last one. True or false? Resistance depends on nature of material used. True or false? Okay, it is true, right? It is true. ठीक है, चलो. Anyways, next count. जल्दी जल्दी. Next count. Everyone. Next count. Seven, 2, 3, 5. 7, 2, 3, 5. Everyone, join this count. 7, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 1. Okay, message the chat box, right? जिसका दिक्कत हो रहा है, just message the chat box. ठीक है? Nandini, you understood everything today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. When a cell is connected to a conducting element, the dash sets the charge in motion of the conductor. ये भी किया हुआ है शायद?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ये भी किया हुआ है. चलो आज रिवीजन ही हो गया और क्या? Right? ये भी रिवीजन है. ठीक है, चलो. This all are revision. Okay. Next. Very good, Darshan. In a battery, the chemical action within a cell generates a potential difference across the terminal of the cell. True or false? Okay. Next. Done. Guys, this is true, na? True. Next. Jaldi, jaldi. It is basically the definition, right? It was basically the definition, right? It is work done per unit charge. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Last time भी बहुत लोग याद नहीं है. बहुत लोग याद नहीं कि last time क्या आंसर था. It was repeated also, right? The potential difference is measured by an instrument called the. It is easy, super easy. Scam हो रहा है, scam. हाँ वास्तव. Yes, Darshan, correct. इस टाइम गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. Yes, voltmeter, correct. Right? Ammeter किसने लिखा? Voltmeter ना? लास्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रू और फॉल्स? diameter can also measures potential difference। और ये तो भाई सबका सही होना चाहिए, कोई गलत नहीं होना चाहिए इसमें। वेरी गुड दर्शन, वेरी गुड। फॉल्स, राइट, फॉल्स, वेरी गुड। 7 लोग ट्रू बोले, पता नहीं कौन 7 लोग थे। वेरी गुड एवरीवन। चलो ये हो गया। ओके, so we are done, right?